Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to delete undeletable apps from your MacBook. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, I just open the Finder in my MacBook and I just want to delete any app. For example, Microsoft Excel. Go use three dots, click on move to trash, insert your passcode, it will be deleted from your MacBook. So here is Creative Cloud. If I just want to uninstall this app, you can see first of all I cannot find out that from applications. So how you can find out and how to delete it. So go on the application or app, keep press on it, use the options and then go on show in folder. You can see I got these two app. I just want to delete it. Go use three dot and you can see move to trash is not working because these apps are opened here on my PC, but these are already closed. How we can just uninstall? It's very easy. Go on the setting. In general, you will get this option. Just click to open, and here you can see you have to turn off these by using your passcode or password. Once you just turned off them all, close this setting page and go restart your PC. So let's go ahead to restart my MacBook. And here you go, I just restart and show in the folder, and now time to delete these apps. I'm into Creative Cloud. So when I just use move to trash, it's just going to ask me the password. When I just enter that, it will be deleted. So you can see it's working great. So if you have this kind of problem, I hope this method will help you and work. And when I just want to clear it all together, you go empty the trash. So this is all about how to delete undeletable apps from your MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.